This is a demonstration of the WinTech Racing quick release foot stretcher system. You've seen in our past videos the end plug, how the end plug fits into the stretcher tube, how the cam is attached to a T-bolt, how the entire assembly fits inside the stretcher track, certainly how the stretcher track is smooth on top. It does not come with the typical pyramid structure that we are so used to, and that creates so many barriers and ultimately broken equipment. What this system amounts to is a really nice smooth adjustment. It's ideal in a club setting where each particular boat is being used by multiple rowers each and every day. I've undone the cams. First rower's getting in the boat, pops the cams, and again, a nice, easy adjustment. It just locks those down. It's a nice, steadfast connection. I'll try and give you some indication just how tough of a connection that is. The stretcher is not going anywhere. Next rower comes along, slides it back in place, and locks it down. Again, nice, strong connection. Once again, WinTech Racing is giving you options so you can run an efficient boathouse. Call us today, 203-866-7223. And as always, thanks a million for your business.